Hey guys, this is Mike. I'm back. It's been a while that I've done a video, but I wanted just to do a video today and share you the things that I've been posting on my YouTube channel. It's a lot of videos about Cloud 2.0, and as you may have known that they just recently had a live event, a huge live event last week, and they presented a lot of the projects that they released and also the new upgraded 2.0 app available on Android and iOS. And let me tell you, this is wild. This is the first time I've seen a platform where they deliver what they promised. So yeah, I have to give it up to Ronald the chief technology officer who's behind the project Cloud 2.0, and he's done an amazing job just staying on top of the things that he has said in the past, what he's going to launch. And yeah, it's truly amazing. But I'm here today I'm here to present to you some of the things that I wanted to share with you on my YouTube channel as far as what they released, give you a little bit of a tour their new Cloud 2.0 corporate office and the trading room and so on. Let me share that with you right now. In this video that I'm going to show you is the Cloud 2.0 corporate office and their trading room. So it's this video right here. I'm going to go ahead and play it and pause in the middle of the video where this guy is showing the trading room right behind him, and we'll go from there. So right behind this guy, you see all these guys that are doing actual trading, and yeah, that's what he was saying. I just muted him just because I just wanted to have a better background music. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and continue this video so you can see the rest of the corporate office. Alright guys, so that's the end of it. Let me go ahead and cancel this and go back to my channel. So as you can see, their corporate office, that was their new corporate office, where they had a tour for everyone after the live, I believe it's after the live event. So anyhow, the next one I'm gonna go ahead and show you is an actual demo of the SIM card, which is the global SIM card, where you can have unlimited data, I believe. And let me go ahead and show you that right now.
Hey everybody, Jan Gregory here with Cloud Token 2.0. I just touched down in Japan, and I want to show you guys that we are live on the Cloud SIM. There we go. So we've got Google here. You can see we can go online. Everything's working. This thing works like a charm. So for those of you who said that this is not going to work in my city, this is not going to work in my location, I think you're wrong. According to Cloud 2.0, Ronald said we can go worldwide with this SIM, all major areas, and this is unlimited data that I'm rolling on here. I am not on Wi-Fi. You can see up here Wi-Fi is turned off, and I'm fully jacked.
Did he just say unlimited data? I mean, that's huge. I mean, global SIM card where you can take anywhere with you, and he said unlimited. So I don't have the SIM card myself, but I will get one. You know, just trying to figure out how to get one since I wasn't in the event. So some of the big leaders that went to the event got the SIM card, and they were just testing it out everywhere. So, and keep in mind also some of these. I believe this person here, he's from US. So, I mean, this is huge. I don't know any kind of SIM card that would give you unlimited data worldwide or globally. All right, let me go ahead and continue this video.
On free data right here, ladies and gentlemen. Cloud 2.0 power data, Tokyo, Japan, in the airport, no nonsense, traveling the world and getting my free data so I can book my flights and check in and do my internet while I'm chilling. Thank you so much. Check us out at ctoglobal.io.
All right, guys, so that's it for the first demo of the SIM card. And the next one I'm going to show you is the second demo done by Bitcoin Rodney. And this is the video right here. Let's go ahead and play this.
What's up, guys? How you doing? It's your freak guy, Bitcoin Rodney, coming to you guys straight from the paradise of Bali, Indonesia. And the reason why I'm here today, guys, is to show you the technology of Cloud 2.0 in one of their incredible verticals they just added to the program. And for you guys who don't know anything about Cloud 2.0, it's a super crypto wallet that pays you between 6 to 12% just to hodl your crypto.
All right, let me go ahead and pause the video and kind of skip through the place to where he was installing the SIM card. And let me see, I think it's somewhere around here.
One, I took my old SIM out, and I want to show you right now. Here's the SIM card right here, the Cloud SIM, for all you guys out there. And I'm going to put it into the phone right in front of you. Here we go. Very easy. When you receive the SIM, it'll come in a way that fits any phone. So don't worry about that. And you just pop it right in. And then I'm using two phones to show you guys the actual directions. Here's the directions right here. Okay. And remember again, this is Cloud 2.0 and one of their incredible verticals. What this does, it allows you to be anywhere in the entire world and without Wi-Fi. And without Wi-Fi, again, let me repeat that. Without Wi-Fi, you will have 4G data speeds inside your phone.
Guys, again, repeat that to you. I want to repeat that to you. Anywhere in the world without Wi-Fi. I mean, this is just amazing. 4G technology. Again, I just want to stress this is only available for our for Cloud 2.0 members. So yeah, this is just amazing. Let me go ahead and continue.
Now, I don't really know the cost yet. I believe you got to be a Cloud 2.0 member. These are the things that are released later on with inside this video or below the video. Okay, so let's see if this actually really works.
All right, guys, I'm not gonna go through that. He demonstrated that with this SIM card, he made a call to one of his partners, and they had a conversation using Cloud 2.0 SIM card. You can watch the rest of this video. I'll leave the actual video link on the description of this video, and then you can go ahead and check this out. Again, I want to just give credit to Bitcoin Rodney on this demonstration of the SIM card. And yeah, like again, this is something I've never seen before on a platform where they actually delivered what they say on the projects that they talked about in the past. Gotta give it up to Ronald I for making this happen for every one of the Cloud 2.0 members. I'm excited. I'm truly excited. Again, for those of you who are still in the fence, just kind of, see if this is real or not. I gotta tell you, this is real. I mean, you can do your own due diligence. Again, I'm just sharing you all the information, all the videos I've gathered, and for you to make sound decision whether if you want to get into Cloud 2.0 and and make substantial income if you do decide to share this to everyone. Again, this is like something I've never seen before. It's wild, but you gotta join the revolution, and don't let anyone tell you this is a scam without researching and doing your own due diligence. Don't let anyone make the decision for you. Make your own decision. I just want to stress that anyone that's trying to tell you this is a scam likely are promoting some other platform or programs on YouTube, right? So again, like what I did was, don't let anyone tell you this is a scam, because again, it's stopping you from making your own decision. There's so many different information out there. You can join many different groups on Telegram, Facebook. From there you can learn the Cloud 2.0 and other people's experience within the platform. The only thing I can tell you is to participate. That's the only way you'll know that if this is real or not. That's what I've done. Again, there's risk involved, in any platform, whether you like it or not, whether if it's a scam or not, or hey, maybe the government entity doesn't like this type of stuff. They can literally just shut it down, for any reason. But again, those are the risks that we're willing to take, and I'm gonna ride the wave and find out if this is going to be a long term or not. That's the risk I've accepted. But if I don't take any risk, nothing will happen for me. You don't take that risk. All right. So anyways, I just want to keep this video short. I know I kind of repeated myself about doing your own due diligence, but if you do decide to join, the links are all under the description of this video. Alright guys, I just want to keep this short. Again, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. If you hit that bell notification button, you'll get notified if there's any new videos that I uploaded. Alright, anyways, you guys have a great day, and see you guys on the next video.